Hi, my name's Mark Tilling and I'm a master chocolatier and pastry chef, and I'm here at the open weekend at Winchester Caravans site. I'm going to show you lots of different chocolate treats that you can do when you're away in your caravan. We're going to show you some chocolate brownies with smalls on the top. We're going to do some French toast. We're going to do some fried pancakes, fried donuts with lots of different toppings that you can do. I'm going to be using the Cadac barbecue outside and using lots of their different equipment and showing you lots of different techniques. So let's get started and make some really amazing chocolate treats. Right, now we're going to do some French toast. Who doesn't like French toast? It's absolutely amazing. So we're going to make our mix again in our little bag. So it's really easy to do. And again, you can do this before you go camping. And then we're going to do a little berry compote with that as well. So here I've got some milk and some cream. We're going to pour that into the bag. And then I've got a couple of eggs there that are going to go in. And then a little bit of cinnamon. So a little touch of cinnamon in there. And then a little bit of vanilla paste that's going to go in. Lovely, look at that. Right, now we're going to give that a little mix around in the bag. So this is really good in a zip top bag. Just break all those eggs up, mix all that round. Again, you can make this beforehand or on the day and put it into the fridge and use it the next day. Get all of those cinnamon bits and all those vanilla seeds all mixed in. Okay, that's ready, so we can put that back into our little jug. We've got our brioche there ready, which is all nice and cut. I'm gonna mix my berries, so I've got some raspberries and some strawberries. Just gonna mix them together, pop a little bit of sugar on top of all of that, and then again another little bit of vanilla. We're just gonna pop that in a little saucepan on the barbecue and just give them a little toss around and get all those sugars melted and sort of a little bit caramelized, which is going to be great. Okay, so we're going to put the fruit in first. So we're going to give it a little mix in there, and then we pop that straight into the saucepan, and we're going to let that cook just down a little bit in the saucepan there. Okay, so I've just put my brioche, a couple of slices of brioche into the bag. We're just going to mix them around so they get a bit of that egg mixture all over, and then I can open the bag, and then we're going to go straight So I'm just checking underneath to see if it's nice and golden brown. There you go. And then we're just releasing some of those juices from that fruit. Okay, so we're ready to serve. So we can take 2 bits of our French toast, which are now really nice and golden brown there, onto our plate. And then we can take some of our berries. We've got a little bit of juice there now, which is really good. And we can take a little bit of that juice. Just drizzle that round, and then we're ready to serve. And again, we could finish with some ice cream, but you could do some whipped cream. But there, just on the top of that lovely fruit. So everybody else gets to taste the food, so I'm going to taste it this time. Come on, let's go. Oh, this is, How do I get into this? Look at this. Oh, a few berries, bit of ice cream. Wow, amazing. Well, it would be because it's made by me.